I can't even tell now.
That's why what, Marietta?
I said that's why there's actors and actresses. Some people are meant to be and some aren't, like us. You need to get Sandra Kay and have her actually look and say hello. Kurt,
Yes, ma'am.
thanks for having a wedding and not inviting anybody.
You said
Hope you enjoyed it.
right now.
Yeah.
What I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I said.
I'd say I love you, Howard.
What if it wasn't Howard you was talking to?
What are you doing in my house?
Huh?
That's what you said.
We weren't expecting you.
Is that a bad
I would
screen?
say,
I think it's playing. I don't know.
It sounded like a funny scream.
Howard, I wish you and Shirley and Shirley and Terry would be there too. We're having a bad fun here.
That we are.
Glad you're home with me, honeymoon.
And the kids just screamed and the guys are going to go see what's wrong. That's right. I'm kind of missing every holiday.
And she laughed. I said, none this weekend, okay? Okay.
That's right.
Bruce, I can't wait to see your finished product, honey, because this is what he's taking
What are
back.
you doing now?
With his, can you play it? You can play it through the
Instantaneously on the TV.
I like that.
It is nice. It was a $1,500
Okay, sit
camera.
back for
Hill
fun.
and Harrell's is that way where you can actually watch what you're seeing. You can watch other video movies too.
We used to come to New York and hunt. And
Everything
the
about ready.
damn liquor stores closed at 6.
New York?
Yeah. Liquor stores closed at 6 and the grocery stores closed at 8:30.
See, I'm used to Florida. You can get anything you
What are you talking
want
about, liquor
24
store?
hours
Oh yeah, the
a
liquor
day.
store's closed at 6 here.
On Friday.
On Friday night?
Well, any night.
Do they not know?
Did they open again on
Do they
Saturday?
not know the luscious they have sitting in this town?
What do you want, beer or liquor?
I want
Baby's
Bailey's Irish cream.
Well, you're gonna have to go to the
That's
liquor
all I
store.
grow. That's all I grow. That's all I drink.
We'll run down to Florida, across the line, pick up a good.
We may have to. Did y'all play your lottery tickets? We
They
did
were
fantasy
broke
football.
down.
Well, we got our fantasy
was
football.
broke
Well, I
down.
see you got your torch here.
It was down that way for there. We had to go somewhere else.
Hold on, Bruce. Damn, why don't you
They're killing me. What'd you say?
Are you sure it's called the Green
Hey,
Front?
Sandy.
What'd you say?
That's all I know.
Bruce, do you know the name of the ABC store?
Yeah, Alabama ABC.
No, they're not
Well,
ABC.
they're not ABC.
They're not ABC.
They're not individually owned yet. I don't think.
It's called alcohol beverage control here in Alabama.
They're state owned here.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe it's FBC.
You guys, where are we right now?
In Alabama! Alabama.
At Grandma's house?
Yep.
What's this town called?
Alabama.
Oh,
Ah.
that's right.
Say hi,
There's
Kurt.
Aunt Sandy.
Hi, Joe. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Uncle Bruce. Hi, Uncle Bruce.
There's the trash can.
Hey, let me get the cat waving at everybody.
And the raccoon poop block. What?
Mommy, get him to let me wave. Hi,
I
Sandy.
can't get him. You have to talk to him.
Say hi, everybody.
cat.
Hi. Hi. Say hi, Kurt. Hi, Joe. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Uncle Bruce. Hi. Hi, everybody.
All right.
Yeah, go.
The cat is now part of the permanent record.
Yep.
Say, bow.
Now get out of the way, let me get some filming.
I'll wash it in the dishwasher. Yeah, like something. I wanted it.
Are you laughing, Mom?
Say, get Uncle Bruce.
Yes, I have.
So have I. Pow, pow.
What color do you want?
What colors do you have?
Well, you're gonna stay with yellow.